Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we are bringing you the latest and greatest in home decor. Today we have got something special in store for you, a showcase of the most stunning wooden wall shelf designs to elevate your home style. Now, whether you are a minimalist, a rustic lover, or a modern design aficionado, there's a wooden wall shelf out there to suit your taste. So let's dive right in and explore these captivating wooden wallpaper designs that can transform your living space. This timeless design appears to defy gravity, giving your decor a minimalist touch. It's versatile, easy to install, and perfect for displaying art, books, or collectibles. Crafted from reclaimed wood, this shelf exudes warmth and character, ideal for creating a cozy farmhouse style atmosphere in any room. Geometric patterns add a modern twist to wooden shelves, creating eye catching displays, perfect for those who crave a contemporary and visually engaging design. Nature inspired shelves with irregular shapes bring the outdoors inside. They are conversation starters that bring a touch of OMC to your decor. Clean lines and simplicity define this design, making it suitable for any room. Created an uncluttered and organized look with these sleek wooden cubes. Combining wood and metal, these shelves add an industrial chic vibe, perfect for those who appreciate a blend of rustic and modern aesthetics. Designed to fit snugly into corners, these shelves optimize your space, ideal for small rooms or for adding a unique touch to overlooked corners. There you have it, folks. Our top wooden wall shelf designs to elevate your home decor came. Remember, the key to well organized space is to mix and match these styles to create a unique and personalized look that reflects your personality. So please subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel for more latest designs and home decoration tips and tricks. Thanks for watching the complete video.